we are going to perform a sewer scope, which is basically we're just going to run this camera down the line all the way to the main sewer line, and we're looking to make sure that there's no roots, no low spots in the line. We're trying to see what type of material the line is. With the age of the house, 1975, it could be concrete, could be clay tile, or it could be updated and be PVC. So those are the things we're looking for. We just want to make sure everything is flowing to the main line and there are no issues for the potential buyer to have to deal with when they move in. And we're going to go through this clean out, which a lot of people don't know what clean outs are. If you ever see these caps inside your house, outside, this is a sewer clean out. So this is access for plumbers or inspectors to be able to get into the sewer line without having to pull a toilet.
And this is where you're going, like that's the whole camera thing.
Yep.
So you're gonna shove that in there.
Yep, I'm gonna put this in here.
It's like going to the doctor.
Right. And I'm gonna read off this one and see, it should be coming up. Performing the sewer scope, we are gonna go do this clean out. And here we go. I have cold water running upstairs at the kitchen faucet because we want to watch water flowing through the line to make sure that there's good flow. So right now we are in ABS material, which is the black material that you'll see normally inside your house.
That's pretty cool. How far down does that go?
How much line do I have?
Sure, yeah. How much line do you
I can go up to 210 feet.
Wow, okay, so what's that little drizzle we're seeing?
This right here is this is the drain line coming from the kitchen. Because I have the kitchen water running, so that's the water coming from the kitchen right now. And we're just gonna keep on flowing down. So now we're transitioning to concrete, so that lets me know that we are leaving the house and we are going out into the yard now.
Okay, cool.
We want to make sure, slow down at all the joints, make sure that they're connected properly. There's no roots coming in, no huge offsets where if one line was higher than the other, which this one looks good.
So this is well worth the money to make sure that there is nothing crazy growing in here.
For sure, because if you have an issue, like say there was a big crack in this line or this whole side of the line collapsed in, you could be potentially having to go out and dig your yard up and spend thousands of dollars to replace it. Or if it's in really bad shape, you might have to replace the entire line.
We had to do that at our house. It was not fun.
Not
and it was very expensive.
Oh yeah.
I'd much rather take a vacation. Oh, what is this now? Are we at the street?
Nope, looks like we're gonna turn this way and then there's one line that goes down. There's probably another line that ties in right there.
Did you play video games as a kid? I feel like that would be helpful here.
Oh yeah. Right.
Go Mario, go.
It's looking pretty good.
That is nice and clean. That's pretty.
No issues yet.
How do you know when you hit the street?
So normally it will run parallel with this line. So as soon as we'll see it, we'll go straight down and then there'll be another line going the opposite way, and that's where everyone just drops into the sewer main.
But still, this is pretty. Like, this is clean.
This is in good shape.
Good.
Probably should be coming up on it not too far away though.
Do you ever see weird things on this camera?
Yeah, I've seen different things that's been flushed down the toilet and got stuck. You see, if like someone does work in their yard and they don't check where the line is and drive a stake straight through it, or I actually did one where the city, I don't know how it got confusing, but somebody, they ran the gas line and it was going through the sewer line.
No.
And the city had to come out and scope everybody's line and start to replace the line.
Dang, and you found it on an inspection?
Yeah. Well, so then the city.
There you go. Ooh,
so there's a little bit of toilet paper stuck, and so that's what happened. It's just slowing down the water. We're probably gonna push it down with us.
All right, there we go.
And let's see, it should be coming up on the main not too far here. Right there.
Okay.
So this is where you drop into the main.
All right.
So once you hit here, this is not your responsibility. You're at 92.9 feet of concrete and ABS material. No roots, no debris, no offsets. Actually, a really clean line for it still being concrete, which
That's
is
awesome.
good.
Okay.
And that's it.
Wow. All right, there you have it.